In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Google Analytics certificate to LinkedIn. Having certifications on your LinkedIn profile can greatly enhance your professional presence by showcasing your skills and qualifications to potential employers or colleagues. Now, let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get your Google Analytics certificate onto your LinkedIn profile. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to LinkedIn. Open your preferred internet browser and in the address bar, type in linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you might see the option to either join now or sign in. Since you'll need to access your profile, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Upon successfully signing in, you will be directed to your LinkedIn homepage. This page is filled with updates and connections from your network. The next step is to access your profile, which is where we'll be updating your new certification. To do this, locate your profile icon at the top of the page. It's usually a circle with your photo. Click on the icon or your name to open your LinkedIn profile. With your profile now open, it's time to start the process of adding your certificate. Look for the Add Section button. It's usually positioned near the top of your profile, just below your headline and introductory information. Click on this button, and a drop-down menu should appear with various options to enrich your profile. From this menu, select Recommended. This will give you suggestions of what LinkedIn suggests you add, based on what other professionals in similar fields may include. It's here you'll find an option titled Licenses and Certifications. Click on this option to proceed. A form will appear, allowing you to enter the details of your certification. Here, you will input the name of your certification, which in this case is Google Analytics Certification. Make sure to fill in other relevant details such as the issuing organization, which would be Google, and any credential ID or URLs if they are provided with your certificate. Once you've carefully filled in all the necessary information, review it to ensure accuracy and hit the Save button. Your newly added certification should now be visible on your LinkedIn profile under the Licenses and Certifications section. And there you have it. You've successfully added your Google Analytics certificate to your LinkedIn profile. By keeping your profiles updated with the latest skills and certifications, you maintain a dynamic presence that reflects your commitment to professional growth. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.